Good morning, everyone. SS Institute Management of Studies. My name is Aniket Gautam Gaikwad, and my topic name is Decision Theory, and my subject name is Decision Making Model, and my semester name is second sem, and my roll number is MB24048. My first slide is Decision Theory. Making choice under uncertainty is key in many fields. Let's explore decision theory together. My second slide is Introduction to Decision Theory. Making decisions focus on the process of choosing under uncertainty and risk. Rational rotational framework provides a structured way to make resonate to end consistent choice. Wide application used in business, healthcare, engineering, policy, and uh, beyond. My second slide is definition of decision theory. Systematic approach analyze decisions methodically to evaluate outcome, quantifies uncertainty using public probabilities to measure risks and expected values. Optimizing decisions. Six, six to maximize utility or benefit based on data. Core concepts, utility, risk, and information guide the decision process. My second slide is why is decision theory used? Optimize resource allocations, manage financial and business risks, support policy and public sector decisions, analyze strategic interactions in game theory, guide healthcare treatment choices, improve engineering design relatability. My second slide is ex, ex example in investment decisions. First is options. Invest in stock A or bond B. Second is stock a return, 16% chance of 15% gain, 40% chance of minus 5% loss. Third is a bond B return, generated 5% return. Four is questions. Which investment solved your choice? My second slide is solving the investment decision. Stock expected return 0.6 and 15% plus 0.4 and minus 5% is equal to 7%. Bond B expected return uh, guaranteed 5%. Conclusion stock A offers higher expected return based on number. My second slide is considering risk aversions. Risk average perfect choosing bond B for safety over uncreating gains. Utility functions. Model personal tolerance toward risk and rewards. Decision influence. Individual risk tolerance affects investment choice. My second conclusion. Decision theory empowers rational choices under uncertainty, optimizing outcome will managing risk effectively, and it applies across industries and problems, and understanding personal risk performance is circular. Thank you.